We shall now take more exercises on addition. We are asked to evaluate the following, leaving your answers in standard form. This is said to be 2.37 times 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 7.72 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Just like I did in the other examples, we are going to express this in such a way that we can factorize out the least multiple of 10. So this is going to be expressed as 2.37 times 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 7.72 times 10 raised to the power of 4 times 10 raised to the power of 1. For this is equivalent to 10 raised to the power of 5. So I can therefore factorize out 10 raised to the power of 4. This is equal to 10 raised to the power of 4 into brackets. When you factorize out 10 raised to the power of 4 from here, you'll be left with 2.37 plus, factorize it out from here, you have 7.72 times 10. So that this can be expressed as 10 raised to the power of 4 into brackets 2.37 plus, when you multiply this by 10, it gives you 77.2. So that this is equal to, when you add 77.2 to 2.37, this is going to give us, this is 5, 9, that's 79.57. You have 79.57 times 10 raised to the power of 4. But remember, the question says we should leave our answers in standard form. So this is equal to 7.957 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Question 2, we have to add this 3.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 to 7.8 times 10 raised to the power of 4. I'm going to factorize 10 raised to the power of 3 from here. This is going to give me 10 raised to the power of 3 into 3.2 plus 78, because you'll be left with 10 raised to the power of 1, and 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. 10 times 7.8 is 78. So that this is equal to 78 plus 3.2. That will give you 81.2. And our answer now becomes 81.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3. But it must be expressed in standard form. This is going to be 8.1 times 10 raised to the power of 4. Question 3. We'll also do same. Since 10 raised to the power of minus 4 is smaller than 10 raised to the power of minus 3, we are going to factorize out 10 raised to the power of minus 4. So this is 10 raised to the power of minus 4 into 5.85 plus 10 raised to the power of, when you factorize out 10 raised to the power of minus 3 from here, you'll be left with 10 raised to the power of minus 1. 10 raised to the power of minus 1 times 3.14 gives you 0.314, and this is equal to, when you now add, this is 5.85 plus 0.314, you have 4, 6, 8 plus 3 is 11, carry 1, and you have 6.164. So this is equal to 6.164 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. And this is what you will get. Question 4, we are asked to add 7.85 times 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 523 times 10 raised to the power of 4, so that I will factorize out 10 raised to the power of 4 into, this becomes 78 6.5 plus 523. So that this is equal to, when you add 523 to 78.5, this is going to be 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry 1. This is 10. Carry 1. This is 6. So you are going to have 601.5 times 10 raised to the power of 4. This is equal to, expressing this in standard form, you now have 6.015 times 10 raised to the power of 6. And for question number 5, I'm going to factorize out 10 raised to the power of minus 5. So this becomes 4.19 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5 plus 9.54 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5 times 10 raised to the power of 9, because when you simplify this, it gives you 10 raised to the power of 4. So that this is equal to 10 raised to the power of minus 5 into 4.19 plus 9.54 times 10 raised to the power of 9. And 10 raised to the power of 9 is very big. It's bigger than 4.19. So let's see if we can simplify it. This is equal to 10 raised to the power of minus 5 into 4.19 plus 954 and 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you add 4.19 to it, this is going to be 10 raised to the power of minus 5 into 954 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4.19. And expressing this in standard form, this is equal to, we have to move the decimal point to fall behind the first significant, the first digit. So how many times are you going to move it? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is going to be 9.54 with 6 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 419 times 10 raised to the power of 9 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5. So that this is equal to 9.5400000419 times 10 raised to the power of 9 minus 5 is said to be 4. And this is what you will get. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our classes.